So the power pigtail is assembled or mounted, as well as the switch assembly. And then what Miguel's going to do is show you what wires go where.
So there is 4 cables, same color.
Right.
2 blues, 2 browns. Blue go with blue. Brown with brown. And green one, it's a ground. And gray and a black came from the switch, is going to the motor.
Right. So this unit has a pigtailed line in and a sort of a pigtailed switch assembly. They are available as parts, complete, everything that you need to replace these. Again, you can go online at cityfloorsupply.com or give us a call at 800-737-1786 to get these parts either shipped to you or order them online. For this assembly, we'll flip it over, show you the inside, but I do want to mention that it's all pretty color coded for between ground and power and neutral lines for each one. And then there'll be an assembly instruction and wiring diagram in the switch assembly and the wire pigtail. There are also pieces like this, like a PDF, that you could download on our website at cityfloorsupply.com that gives you an idea of how to get in there and what to do, whether that's motor replacement, switch, or line pigtail replacement. So the power pigtail is going to have a locking nut. What we're also going to do is disconnect any wiring from the motor assembly so that it pulls out pretty freely. And we're going to put this assembly back on, but we're taking it apart just to show you. This is a relatively new power pigtail as well as switch assembly. So as I said, with the color coding and the instructions, you'll be able to put the correct wire in its correct position. That's what it looks like. This is all molded. This sticks through the chassis, and you have a locking nut and washer that retains it from the inside. So the power pigtail is assembled or mounted, as well as the switch assembly. And then what Miguel's going to do is show you what wires go where, but again, all of that information and color coding is in your switch housing assembly kit.
So there is 4 cables, same color.
Right.
2 blues, 2 browns. Blue go with blue. Brown with brown. And green one, it's a ground. And gray and a black came from the switch, is going to the motor.
Right.
Well, one part to the motor, then thermal switch, and then motor.
Right. Now this piece that he has, the terminal switch, comes with the motor assembly. You can reuse or get that separately, but typically we'll reuse if we haven't replaced the motor and it's just this assembly that we're replacing, we'll reuse the terminal switch. So if you have any questions with regard to the installation of a switch assembly on a backpack vac or a power cord in pigtail, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786. And again, all of these parts and diagrams are available on our website at cityfloorsupply.com.